So I said, whenever you want to log into your WordPress account, type the domain name. By now, you should know what a domain name is. wazobiastores.com.ng is a domain name. So you type the domain name /WP admin. This is how it will take you to the login page for your WordPress account. Okay. Okay, so we'll log in. So let me open my Firefox so that I can use it to preview our work as we do the work. Okay. So open wazobiastores.com.ng. So in the last class we had, we were able to create this menu. You can see this menu that we have here. This menu that we have here. Now that let's see this menu now. I think we're trying to follow a site to create this menu. So home, about us, services. Services has other sub menus under it, and then FAQs, contact us. So these are menu. We're able to create that on this dashboard. Okay. So let me close this. So you have seen how we're able to create that menu. All right. If I go here now, and just watch now. If I take this website development, move the little again this way, and then move this one selected again this way, it means that I'm going to be sub item under all services now instead of services. Okay. So let me save that and show you. Well, let's refresh here. So you see now. So if I go to services here, and you see what I have in services now, only all services and mobile app. So if I move to all services here, I have another sub menu inside here. Can you see that now? We're able to just do this menu. You can see the menu is here. Our site is taking shape. Our menu is there now, and we have. So I don't want this menu to be here. So I need to bring it back to the original place where they were. So what we do, we go back again. Go to our menu again, and then instead of making this one sub items, we make them normal items, just like the other all services. Bring it back here. It's not locked. It's one. Okay. So all services now, they are all in the same line now. So if I save menu, and let me hide this floating controller. So if I save menu now, let's go back to refresh. Let's refresh. You notice that you see now they are back. You see the way they are now. Okay, so that's how to create a menu for your WordPress site. Okay, though we can also look at how to now customize this menu to look beautiful. Okay, your menu can look beautiful. For example, buy phone, electronics, fashion, groceries online in Nigeria, or the rest of this, like the logo of this site. So that's not a good logo. You know, you can change the logo and make it look more beautiful. So we're going to go into customizing our menu. Okay, I'm going to show you where to go to. So for you to customize your menu, you stick to appearance and then click on customize. So I want us to make our menu look good. Okay, I want to make it look good. The other ways to really make your menu look even better. Okay, a plugin that you can use in WordPress to make your menu look better. So in this case now, I said we're going to be looking for how to customize the appearance of our menu. So I go to appearance, click on customize. One thing I always like to do when I'm using WordPress is that instead of, if I click my, a mouse has two buttons. There's this left mouse button, there is this right mouse button. If I click on my left mouse button, which is in primary click, people always click on the left mouse button. If I click on it, it will open this customize page for me, and then everything I'm doing will also close. Only that customized page will be showing. But I don't want it to be so. I want to allow my menu to be here. I'll just click on customize with my right mouse button. I click on right, so that it will bring out this kind of menu for me. All right, I'll now click on open in link on a new tab. So you can see this one is still here, but another one is opening here. Okay, see, I see I'm still in my menu page where I was creating the menu. Then I'm now again also in the customized page. So what helped me to do was by clicking on the right on customize and then clicking open on a new tab. Okay, so this is my customized page. One thing with customized page, as you are customizing, it has a preview that shows you what is happening as you're doing it. So, oh my God, this is the customized dashboard or sidebar. Okay, so I can start working on things here. Look at what I have in this customized ability. I have site identity, I have menus, I have widgets, I have homepage settings, which we're going to look at. We're going to touch some of them now. Typography, general options, okay, log, header, top bar. Now top bar, I will show you. Let me see. If you look at this part of this page, from here to where you have something like a line, all right, from this top to where you have this horizontal line here, that's what we call top bar. So I can go there and I can change what my top bar should look like. I can, enable it. If I click on, if I say enable, that's if I disable it now and publish, okay, you see that, let's see, let's refresh. Just see this top bar here, from here to this point. When I refresh, it will go. Just watch. Yes, it's no longer there. And of course, I don't leave it top bar. So it has gone out from this place now. So that's not even the main. As I go back again, one step back again. Then I come to my menus. Okay, menus now is telling us that the menu we're working with the menu called main menu, and it's set as the current menu. So I don't even need to do anything here. But I can start to create a new menu again, but that's not what I want to do here now. So I'll go away one step backward for this home page setting. Home page setting. Every website, all right, let me hide this. Every website, once you load a site, for example, this site now is luzoma.com. Once I load it, it takes me to the home page of this site. It takes me to the home page of this site. Just allow it for a while. It's coming. So this is the home page of this site. And when you're creating a website issue, the site you always go to the home page first. That's home page here now. Okay. But if you look at our site, it doesn't look like it's. Let me refresh it. Let's start afresh now. Can you see how our page is looking? Hello world, blah blah blah. At the price, at the best prices, blah blah. It doesn't look like it's the home page. And you can see here you have recent post. When you're using WordPress, I told you that two things you do basically on WordPress. It's either you're a blogger, you're writing news, or you're trying to create an entire website. You're not trying to write maybe like Vanguard.com where they write news and all that. Okay, you want to create a site, a full site. Okay, so if you want to create a free site, what should be displayed when you load that site is the home page of the site. But in this case now, it is not the home page of the site that is displayed, because by default, WordPress is thinking that the person that wants to use WordPress wants to be creating a blog or want to be writing news. Because originally WordPress was for writing news and gossip and all these of them. But with plugins now, we're able to create full site, any kind of site now with WordPress. So since it's by default that what you see is post, that's why you're seeing this this in this way. So if I go to my home page setting, I can change what should appear when the site is loaded. So I go to home page setting now, and I'll click on, can you see here, it's a home page displays, or home page displays your last post. As this is assuming that you're a blogger, okay? But I want you to be showing me a static page. So I'll select this, and then it's asking me what static page you want a home page to display whenever the site is loaded. Choose here and say, let it be displaying the home page. If I say about us, it means that anytime you log into the site, the first page that will show is the about us page. If you say contact us, it means it will show the contact us page once the site is loaded. All right. Of course, we call it landing page. Landing page means the first site that appears whenever any site is loaded. Okay. So, but in this case, what I want is to make it the home page. So I select home page, and then anytime that you do any change in WordPress, you either click on save or publish. So I need to publish it, otherwise that change will not take effect. So I have done that now. So let's go back again and press enter, a kind of refresh this page. Can you see now? What is showing us now is the home page. That information here has gone out. We are seeing this one here because of also this sidebar is still activated. So I can go and remove it entirely. There's something I will do. It will go entirely, and I'll show you later on. Okay. So we've been able to set our home page to show our home. The first page that should be showing here, that is the home page. Okay. But if what you want to be showing is your latest post, you can also choose what should be showing. Okay. So that's not what I want to do here now. So I've done what I want to do, which is to make it home page, which is the home. Okay. So I'll go back again, one step backward. Typography is about text. Yeah, you know, the kind of text, as in font. Some of you that did Microsoft Word, Microsoft, there's something called font. That's character type or typeface, the way the characters in that site look. Okay, we will not deal with this one here as well. We'll come back to it later on. Back to, I think, header, yeah. So that's where I want to work on this menu from the header. So if I go to general here, the style of the menu I have, it says minimal. Okay. If I say transparent, just see there's a change going on here. What it means that this page, this menu will become transparent. If there's anything at the back of it, you'll be seeing it. Okay. Okay, that's what transparent is. But I always like to use this minimal because that's the default. Menu setting. Okay. Now look at this menu. The height of this menu is 74 pixels. In web design, the unit of measurement is usually pixels. Okay. So what I see here now is 74 pixels. Just watch. If I try to increase it a little, can you see? The height of that menu is increasing. Can you see the height of the menu is increasing? All right. If I do again, it's increasing. But I don't want, it's too big. So let me also leave it at 74, which is okay. Let me even save it. Let me publish it and let's go and see what it looks like the other way. So if I refresh it, you see that, notice that our menu has become a little bigger. Can you see that's the height of the menu is not big, and that's not looking good. So I'll go back again. I can just select the whole of this place and type 74 again. So I'll go back to the original state. So I'll click here. And then there's some we have here background color. Background color. Let's see. If I select this, can you see? Have you noticed the menu, that's the entire header? That's because the statement you have, buy phones, electronics, whatever, is like the logo of this site. Okay, so I will work on it later. Okay, so where the logo is and where the menu is, that entire space is called the header of the site. Okay, so I just selected the color now. It changed to that green color. Let me send another one. Can you see? So that's the background color. So if I publish it, I would like to use something like this, darker. I like to use something like this. If a person cannot see our test again, I'll show you what to do about the test. So I'll go and publish it. Then you have there's something called padding. In web design, when you hear padding means there are two ways to create space around your work in web design. You have margin, you have padding. For example, from here to here is like a margin now. Okay, from here to here is like a margin. There's also a margin this way. There's also a margin here. And when you create padding, margin is actually for the space outside, while padding is for the space inside. Okay. You might not also appreciate this one mostly here. Later on, we'll still come to padding again. When we start doing the content of our site, we start adding padding, okay? So you might not really understand here as well. So now we've been able to modify the height, change the color. If I say header full width, you're also not going to appreciate it more because you might not make any changes here. So let me publish it and we'll see what it looks like. Let's go to refresh. Can you see now? Now that header full width is now working here. That's why you see the menu that you have. The logo has come here, and then these are the menu list. Okay, logo. Let's do logo first before we go on that thing. Logo is this thing here. But in case I design a logo, I can replace this text with the logo. Let me check my folder whether I have any logo anywhere. I have Azobia stores work somewhere. Let me see whether there's a logo I can use there. Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment. Remember IT Wazobia. All right, Wazobia stores here. There's a logo anywhere. I want to see whether there's any logo. LOGO. All right, so this is the logo here. This is logo here now. This is Wazobia stores logo. This is the logo I'm working with. So what I'm going to do, I want to replace this text with the logo. Okay, I want to replace this text with the logo. So instead of, if I come here and click on the color of their logo, make it white, you see that the color of the logo will change to white. Actually, okay, that's the listen now. Color is white. Can you see that now? The color of that logo. Then what I want to do now is to replace this entire logo. I want to replace it with a right logo. So I'll come here. Remember, we are in appearance, customize. This is customized dashboard. And where we are is in the header. And they click on logo here. And then choose select logo. When you click on that, you go to select files so they can pick the logo that you want to work with. I will look for the folder where that logo is. That logo is inside what's it called again? Where is that? My folder. desktop folders. Okay, and then go to member IT, Wazobia stores. Okay, and then I have logo. Let me check it. I have Wazobia stores logo. I like to see it as a large icon so that I'll know what. Okay, yeah. So I'll choose this. I'll choose that one. And just a moment. So I select it and open it. Then open. It's loading it now. One important thing, once you have loaded your logo here, there is this thing we call alternate text. Alternate text is very important. You can write some keywords. You know what alternate text does for you is that if a blind man is going through your site and then there's something called screen reader is activated in your laptop. Once it gets to wherever an image is and there's an alternate text, that screen reader will read what is written there. And it also helps for what we call search engine optimization, as in it helps for your site to be searched through Google. So I can come here and say Wazobia stores. Oh, sorry, in caps now. Wazobia stores online distribution. Okay, I can just put that there, and then once you do that, you say select. Okay, see our logo, see the way our logo is. So I click on select again. There is giving an option to crop. You see, it's giving an option so I can crop this image by, for example, if I drag it like this, okay, and then drag this one this way, and then I click on, when I'm done, I click on crop image. So it will give me this size, this small size that I just have. That's what I'm going to have. Okay. So you can see that logo. This logo now has replaced the text, but the logo is so big. Let me publish it and you see what will happen. So big. If you notice, it has knocked the menu down. So let's go again and refresh this and see how it looks on our site. Can you see how that logo is? Very big. So I have what to do about it. You can see here I have maximum width and maximum height. I can try to can see. See, can you see? Okay, so that's my logo. But this logo now has a background. You know, if you're going to be very smart enough to make sure that you don't put a background on your logo like this. So maximum height as well. I can make it just take this and publish it. Okay, you can see how we have inserted our logo now. So if you go back again and refresh this thing, you see that the logo is now small and it's looking even much more better. But where this thing is how it's touching here is not good. That take me back to that thing I told you. Let me go back to sorry, in general. Sorry. Okay, so you can see that there is this is touching here. So if I come to this padding now, okay, and a kind of put any figure here. This is padding top, padding right, padding bottom, padding left. In this case, I want to do padding left. So what I'm going to do is to go to left and say, for example, let me say 10. If I say 10, can you see there's a space? Do you notice a space here? there's a space now in between the logo and the H string here. Before, when it was 0, there was no space. So I can even make it 20. The 20 is good. If you look at here as well, this place also needs, so I'll come to right and say 20 as well. So there's a space here now. So I will publish it. So let's refresh. Can you see where my logo is now? This one. So we're having a good menu, a good looking menu. That's what we're having. The menu is looking good. Okay. The color, sorry, the color is still, I don't like the color. So let's change the color. Change it to something like this. Oh, this is sweet now. So publish this thing. But we can also change this text to white so that it comes out better. Let me see. Can I take another color? Get me a color. Okay. Let me take this one. Just for the learning purpose. So just take that one. Okay. So now that I've done this, if you click on this X here, it will close this customize bar entirely. I'll just click arrow to the left so that it can help me to customize the tool. So go to menu here. Remember, we're inside header. Okay, we are customizing the header. So I've gone to general. That's what brought us to the height of this thing, full width, the color, and then some padding. Okay. So we'll go to now. We're going to logo. That's how we got this logo here. Okay. Then we can go to menu. All right. So if you go to menu, the position of this menu is right. Can you see? That's why what was having right selected here. It's right. If I click on center, just watch. The menu has gone to the center. If I click on left, the menu has gone to left. But I think right is okay. And then we have link effect. These links now, just watch. As I'm moving around them, they're changing color. But that's not even the main thing. So I can come here and say, we're going to come back to this link effect. Okay, but let me do this one first. What we say, right, left padding, 15 pixel. That's for the menu. Right, left padding, as in 15 pixel. That's okay. I will come to link color. See the color of the link. See how it's like gray. So I come here and click and choose white. Can you see? So my menu is not looking, color is looking so wonderful. That's fine. Okay, white now. But if I hover on it, it shows blue. Okay, but if I come here, these ones are as though they've not been affected. I will show you how to do that later. So let me publish this. Link color is blue. All right, and link current item, current menu item. That's as in, if you click on a particular menu item, for example, if I click on home, what color it will be showing when I click on it? That's what it's saying. There's also link background. Link background, as in, if I hover, let me show you. Let's say, for example, can you see? There's a background for the link, but I don't even need it. So I just clear the color, which is unnecessary. Okay. So then there's this link background hover. That as in, when I hover around that menu, just watch. Let me choose the color now. For example, I choose the color. I move here now. Can you see? 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 You must have seen this kind of thing in a site before. So, but I don't even want to do that. See, can you see that? So that is link hover. Okay, that's WordPress. See, this thing I'm doing now is something that we do writing codes. But WordPress has made it so easy for you. Okay, so I can pick the color I want for the link hover. All right, and I don't want any color also. I'll clear it. I don't want any hover for my links. As in, I don't want any background hover for my link. I have link background current item, which means what background my link will have once I have selected that particular link. I don't want that one also. There are some settings I don't want. Then you can see here link color hover. As in when I hover my mouse on this, it shows that color. But I don't like it as well. I can come and change the color to maybe something like AC black. Black is fine. Can you see? So that's the link color. Link color for hover. Hover means when you move your mouse over a particular item. Okay, what's a color that it shows? That's what we mean by hover. Okay. So I hope we're together in this class. I hope you're still learning, you're still catching what I'm teaching you. Okay. Okay. So that's so all this I've done, I've affected this part of menu, but this part is not affected. So if you scroll down this customize, this header, customizing header now, okay, we're customizing the header menu, okay? If you go down this way, you see drop down styling. This is the drop down, not style is the drop down. The drop down styling. The top bar, there's a bar here, it's showing blue color, and I don't like that. The background of this hover side is white. That's why you're seeing white here. So what I can do smartly, since I don't know the name of this color, I can just go back again because we got this color from, I think we got it from general, right? From general. So that's the color here, background color. So what I'll come and do is to click here and then select this color. Select it and copy it. Okay, copy it because I don't know the name of that color. So I'll copy it so I can use it in the other side. Okay, so I'll now go back again, then come back to menu again and go back to that drop down styling. Change the color, the background color. Select here. It has been white. So I'll select here and paste. So if you see, if I go to that one under, can you see now? The color has changed. Have you seen it? Because I collected the color from the original menu here and then brought it to this drop down styling. Okay. Then the width of this drop down styling, you can see website development and hosting is shrinked because the width is 180. Let me increase it a little to 214. Let's see. Okay, still, let me make it like 250. See, that's 250 pixels. Publish it. Can you see now? Can you see it has increased? Oh, can you see? All right. So the top bar is still blue. So I can change it to black. I don't like the blue, so just make it black. So I can see that's black now. Okay. So you don't need to write any code. Just click on something will happen. Okay. Border color. You can see there's a border color, white. So if you look at this, the border color is white. That is not fine as well. I'll make it black so that it will be uniform with the top bar color. Can you see now? Okay, so that's fine. So there's no need. You don't write any code here. You can write if you want to write, but not necessary to write as well because WordPress gives you everything. So if I hover, let me see, it's white now. Link color hover is black. That's as in the text here is black. So what is link color going to choose? We'll make it white. Okay, so you can see the link color is white now, like the other one, the ones on top. Can you see? So when you hover now, the link color becomes black, and that is fine. Link color background, that's white. That's what I'm saying. When you hover, that's white. Link color current item. So you can see here, there is this search icon style. Here, can you see this search icon here? I don't want any search icon. Okay, this search icon that is here, I don't want it. I'll just come here and click on disabled. You see that search icon will disappear. Can you see that disappeared now because I don't want it? Okay, but I told you that something else. I said I'm going to leave. When I come back to it, I'll show you now. Look at it here. We will have link effect. It says no effect here. If I click, if I say underline from left, It means that if I move my mouse to any link, okay, look at what happened now. Can you see? Underline. Can you see underline? Can you see underline? Can you see underline? I don't even like that one. The other was a bracket, which will give me a bracket also for just a moment. Look at it here. Can you see there's a bracket on the menu, and I like that one really. There's a bracket. You can try more, but there's link effect color. So I should make it white so that it will suit the link itself. So look at it now, it's white. I can even make it black since on hover it's black. So look at it now. This is sweet. Now this is sweet. This is sweet. So I can publish it. So if I refresh it, I refresh our site, you see how it looks now. Oh, seed site. Look at how it's looking now. Okay, so that's how it's looking. Okay.